$8 a video became $1.80. The only thing that changed was a hard cap on 30% of the beats. If you're building a faceless YouTube channel, the biggest cost is video generation. Each scene you animate with AI can cost cents or dollars. Without a hard rule, costs explode. I needed a system that could produce consistent, on-brand videos at scale without breaking the bank. Step 1. Ideation. I ask an LLM for a fresh topic so videos never repeat. Then a hook engine drafts about 8 opening lines across proven archetypes using a cheap model. A stronger model scores each for 3-second retention, and the best one is locked as the opener. The whole script is written to deliver on that hook. The script is generated as a strict JSON of 30 to 56 beats. Each beat carries its own image prompt, a render tier, a camera move, and timing. This structure lets me control every scene's cost and motion. Every beat still, image is generated with Google's Nano Banana model. The hardest bug was keeping the same character across all scenes. A cheaper model kept drifting the figure into a detailed human or a manga crowd. Nano stays faithful to a fixed reference image, the fix, a locked reference image, and forcing all images through that model. Cost control, 2-tier render. Most beats are a still image with a slow Ken Burns camera move, costs nothing to animate. Only high-impact beats go to an image-to-video model, high-low, at 512p for a few cents each. A hard rule caps image-to-video to about 30% of beats. That keeps a finished video near $1.80 instead of $8. 11 Labs synthesizes the narration. Then an ffmpeg mastering chain, plus chunked burned captions, and per-scene muxing assemble it to a 1080p master. Before anything publishes, a QC gate samples 5 frames. A vision model scores whether the character and composition are on brand. Only if it passes does it proceed. The YouTube Data API uploads it through OAuth, but only if QC passes. The whole thing is plain Python with HTTPX and ffmpeg sub-process calls, one unified gateway in front of the paid models, and a Windows scheduled task that fires it twice a day. Hard lessons. Rendering scenes sequentially took about an hour per video. Parallel rendering with a thread pool cut it to about 20 minutes. The QC Vision model is a weak safety net. It passed an off-brand frame at 0.95 and held good frames at 0.68. The real fix for consistency had to live in the generation step, not the checker. Also, a brand new channel hits a per-channel daily upload cap fast, which has nothing to do with API quota. It's fixed by phone verifying the channel. If you're building something similar, the voice tools I use are 11 Labs. Link in the description. Subscribe if you want to see more real systems, not hype.